Hello internet friends, my name is Ran and today's video is about showing you guys some of the marketing stuff that I've tried doing for Doro, the cooking app that I'm working on, and it's something that I'm trying to market and release on the iOS App Store. As previously mentioned, I have already finished the first version, the MVP, and I'm currently beta testing it, alpha testing it, I suppose you might call it, by myself. And so far, so good. Just a few minor bugs here and there that I'm trying to fix up. So in the meantime, while doing that, I figured maybe I'll just do some kind of like waiting list sign up site. And then I just want to show you guys this is something that I came up with. Just see how I can do this. So it's like a reaction video as well, of sorts. It doesn't stay. Oh well, that's fine. Alright. Yeah, so what do you guys think? So I sent it out to a few friends and asked them about their honest opinion about it, right? So there's two parts to it. Number one, it's the what do you call it? The AI video part, of the rat in that video. Like I was like, is it too annoyingly, what do you call it? AI? Do you know what I mean? Like the whole how now everything is too AI generated, and some AI generated stuff are like fine and cute and whatever, but some are kind of obnoxious. And so I was like, oh, is this AI thing obnoxious or what? So I got varied responses from my friends. Some people think it's kind of obnoxious. Some people think and they hate it, but some people think it's really cute. Some people think that it doesn't really convey what the app is trying to do, which is essentially a weekly meal management, recipe management, and grocery shopping management software, right? So yeah, what do you guys think? Like, please let me know in the comments below, and it will be really, really appreciated. I, for one, intend to change it up a bit because my original idea behind this landing page, I would call it, is that I wanted it to be a bit more vague, because you know how standardized standardized um software landing pages are, right? Like it's like there's a hero, and then there's always a call to action button, and sections explaining what the thing does, not unlike this one. So I don't know, like, before you guys see the app itself, if you saw this landing page, do you think you would be curious about it? Like, just to show you guys, right? It's like something like, oh, you get unique dinners every day in a week. We minimize food waste. You only have to grocery shop once a week. Whereas if you don't have a planning system in place, you, like how I did, you'll probably go to the grocery store multiple times, or there's wastage and food spoilage and things like that. So yeah, like it's just a pretty simple landing page that I made, and then the first page is pretty much really a what do you call it? Like a red having unique meals every day, but I don't know how much it conveys like what the app does. So yeah, I don't know. I think I might change it actually. Um, and I know people have told me that when the bun drops on the table in the previous video, it looks really weird and unnatural. So yeah, I stop zooming in. How do you zoom out? Zoom out. Zoom out. No, oh, I guess if you go in closer, it'll zoom out, right? That's the trick. Stop, stop. I'm gonna. So I thought of disabling the zooming, focusing, auto framing. They call it, yeah, auto framing feature. But then I've been doing research online, and I saw that most of these kind of vlogging reels, people like to have some dynamic, dynamic, dynamic. I don't know what is the word. Anyway, like some kind of. I'm gonna research. Dynamicism. Dynamicism. Yeah, sure. Is dynamicism a word? Oh, okay. I think I'm probably looking for the wrong word. Anyhow, they want it to be like a bit more dynamic and you know, um, interactive. If you can hear the blender, please excuse me. That's my partner cooking outside, following again one of the recipes that Doro's suggesting. So yay! I'm excited. It's pork loin chops with peach and mustard sauce. And it sounds really, really, really yummy, and I can't wait. Yeah, I digress. Coming back to the app, however, yeah, but like, please let me know what you guys think, right? Yeah, and to talk a bit more about the app site, landing site, program, how I made it. I just went on Canva, I guess, and then Higgsfield to generate Higgsfield mainly to generate the video. Maybe I can show you guys. I think it's this one. I hope I'm still logged in. The video. This one is actually something I got to for the onboarding page, for the sign in page. Because you know how, like, you don't want the sign in page. I don't know if I should, like, continually have my face in here or not. Because, like, do you guys want to see my face? Like, my dramatic expressions? Or not? Let me know, I guess. So, yeah. Um, each of these videos, like they've gone through several iterations, as you can see. At first, it was something like this, like a top-down shot, like an overhead shot. But then I found that it looked a bit unnatural. Like some of the shadows just wouldn't make sense, and it refuses to make sense. So after a while, I decided, oh, maybe like a bowl of tomatoes against the windowsill it will look cooler. And then, since this is 10 seconds, I'll just drag it out a bit longer with Canva. And then I used it as the backdrop of the login page, so it doesn't have a plain background. But with the yeah, these are some of the other stuff that I tried to fiddle around with. And yeah, some prior to that, I think I explored using this red thing. Yeah, this red waving thing, but it looked pretty unnatural, I would say. Just look at it. It's like kind of sad, huh? Like look at that. Like it does that. I couldn't figure out how to make the food ingredients not activate. So despite trying many different kind of prompts, so in the end I gave up for this one because I think something about these AI made cartoons just seem a bit uncanny. Like I don't know if off-putting is the right word for it, but yeah, it just feels weird, you know. Yeah. So I gave that up, and then I tried to maybe we can try some tomatoes, uh, rolling around in a roiling boil, but see that also ended up being kind of weird. You see, like the mechanics just didn't add up, so I dropped that as well. Mm, okay. So now we've got to the promo video part. So with these reels, right, I started off with just a rat in a cheese box to kind of signify that this rat's eating a lot of takeout. And like nobody likes takeouts, right? I mean, okay, sorry, no offense to anyone who likes takeouts, right? But how do I put it? How do I word it? So what's a non-offensive way of saying this? Um it's to express that this rat is eating too much takeout. But like if you love takeouts, please go ahead, no offense to that. Yeah. Anyway, I should stop saying that. Anyway, I got this rat boy to keep chowing down on his little cheese, and the act of people clearing away the trash and everything is kind of just the start to a new, like cues in the start of a new lifestyle of sorts. So yeah, that's the first part of the video. And then and then so so I generated the promo video bit by bit. As you can see here, the red runs off, because I find that the AI video generation software that I've tried, at least Higgsview, it doesn't enable you to, like, when you try to do too many things in one video, it kind of gets confused. I suppose you can use a really long prompt and try to make it work, but I tried that and it didn't really work that well for me. So yeah, this is like this is like the next stuff where, you put down a freshly homemade meal for the rat, and then I explored with many different kind of foods. As you can see here, like a tandoori naan plate, and then I think this is some kind of curry. Yeah, this is curry. And so even though it looks a little bit uncanny, I mean, you know what? I take that back. I don't know. I don't wanna defend it, I suppose, because myself, even though I spent so long making these videos, I'm not sure if they'll work. Like if people really will get what I'm trying to say. That this ad, okay, is about um users can pick out their recipes for the week, and it'll generate you one whole complete detailed grocery list, so you don't um so you minimize ingredients you waste, and it takes this mental load out of your mind, right? After getting all these videos in place, I then went to Canva and sort of stitched the videos together. So 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 after having like all the getting each short clip generated from Higgsfield, I kind of just stitched them together and then used like a transition in between each clip to form like the overall clip. And then and then I just chose like a soundtrack that I felt cool to accompany the main track. Yeah, I'll just play it, and please let me know what you guys think of it. So a few points on this, right? I feel like the bun drop isn't supernatural, as it isn't very natural. It looks kind of weird the way it drops down. Gravity doesn't work like that, as we all know. And so I'm considering changing everything, like most things in the video. Maybe just even doing away with the red. Like maybe I'll showcase a really messy refrigerator with spoiling or spoiled foods, and then um transition after using Doro. We show that, oh, like we've got yummy meals, we've got an organized fridge, we're able to use our parsley, our coriander, um, things like that. Maybe, I don't know yet. I'm still trying to like think of the different ideas, but maybe that would be a more apt promo video. Let me know what you guys think. Right, I will link the sign up sites below in this video, and then hopefully maybe I'll make a second website for this promo, for this Doro landing page. And if you guys can let me know which one you prefer, like just let me know. Okay, I guess that will be it for today's video. And if you're still here listening to me rant, thank you very much. If not, thank you for myself for making this video, I guess. I'll just think of it as a video journal so I don't feel hurt that I don't have any viewers yet. But if you're here, thank you very much for the support. And me and Axolotl, thank you for your time here. Alright, bye till the next video.